Mommy, just pray for me. Your prayer cover me from the enemies. This plant seems like it wants a little more shade. Yeah, I don't like how the leaves are yellowing up, you know. So I'll go and move it and see what will become of it.
Today's vlog is brought to you by the Coconut Hut Coconut Oil. That's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Everything tastes better with coconut oil. Call to order at 876-376-1296. So that's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Fix up life.
Hey, sweetness.
So this plant is called peppermint, you know, but I realize the leaves are a bit yellow. Also replanted this rosemary plant yesterday, you know. Yeah, so welcome to the Herbal Laws YouTube channel, you know. And in today's video, you know, I just wanted to share, you know, an update on my peppermint plant, you know, as I was showing earlier that where it was, this is how it looked. The leaves get yellow, you know, so I remove it and put it, you know, somewhere else and watching it to see what will become of it. It was the same issue I was having with this mint plant, you know, and since I remove it, you know, give it, you know, half sun, half shade, you know, it start to look better. The leaves were like this, and then the leaves are coming like this now, you know. So I'm going to try and see if, you know, this one could show some form of progress. Yeah, man, peppermint, our Jamaican peppermint, you know. When you have this in your backyard garden, and sometime back in the days you wake up, you could just afford a cup of tea and a slice of bread before you go to school, you know. So it's all about observing the plants, you know, and see what type of climate they can manage, you know. This one same way, but since moving it, it's looking back beautiful. This plant now is called a fresh cut, you know. When you pick the leaves, it have no smell, you know, but my grandmother gave me this plant, you know, and say it's a plant that they had used in their younger days. If they get like a cut, a bruise, you know, they would use this plant to rub on that cut, that bruise, you know, and it would heal. Yeah, man, so it is called fresh cut. Yeah. Also in today's video, you know, in this pot I had some French thyme, you know, and it was overgrown, so I just replanted a few little plants in the pot. So that's an update. Yeah, some time ago I did a video where I set some okra seed. So this is what the okra seeds look like. Yeah, okra seeds. Yeah, man, so I'll continue to give you updates on these plants, you know. Yeah, tarragon plant looking so beautiful. Yeah man, sage plant. So herbal family, it's always a pleasure. You know, thanks for watching. You know, just a small update, you know, on my peppermint plant. You know, and a small update on the okra plants and also the callaloo bed, and also sharing the experience that I'm having with my peppermint plant, you know. So yeah, if someone know, you know, what this plant need, whether it need more shade or there is something that the plant need, yeah man, you can leave it in the comment section. If you had experienced something like this before, what did you do? You know? So you can share it. Yeah man, so see you in another one. Herbal Laws out.